today we would like to have some introduction to our GMP areas like manufacturing, warehouse and quality control. So we would like to have some short tour to our GMP related areas. So before going that, let us introduce ourselves, our team who are related to this is our conference hall. So let us have a small meet. Our team, key leaders who are going to take care of after the manufacturing related activities. So let us have a small tour. And this is our quality policy and our vision and the values. GMP certificate from Drug Control Administration, Government of Telangana. Okay. The left side part of our building is dedicated for R&D related activities like formulations and analytical development and administration, like in workspace of admin people. And this right part of the building, is dedicated for a GMP related manufacturing, quality control and warehousing. So this is an entry corridor for our main manufacturing facility, and this is a common entry for a warehouse and quality control and our manufacturing. So let us. This is main entry corridor area for change rooms and everything, and we have an access control who restricts for only authorized personnel and everyone. So this is the corridor for our change rooms. These are the wash areas. Now before going into the lining rooms where our washed garments will be stored here, and from here one dedicated housekeeping person will be responsible to collect the primary garments in the poly bags, and then he will transfer to the lockers which are provided for individual lockers provided to the primary change rooms, one for the ladies and one for the gents. This is the entry for our primary change room. So this is a primary change room 1, where like street wear change rooms, like we remove our street wear. So this is a typical pictorial drawing for how to change the garments, everything. This is for employees. So once the employee enters into the primary change room 1, he removes all his street wear garments and he will keep it in lockers, and then he will cross the crossover bench and enter into the primary change room 2, 3. This is for visitors who are entering into the corridors only. But the even visitors who wants to enter into the process rooms, they need to follow the same procedure, entry-exit procedure, like employees. So this is the entry for a primary change room 2. This is a typical pictorial drawings for factory uniform. This is for employees. So once he entered into primary change room 2, the employee collects the uniform in a dedicated lockers. This is the area room for entry into the warehouse. For entry into warehouse, manufacturing and quality control. And this is for warehouse entry. Again, we have access control for each individual department from here. This is a warehouse entry corridor. This is entry for raw material warehouse. This is the raw material and primary packing material receipt area. This is when we receive a raw material, and after receipt of raw materials or any packing material, we will dedust here. After completion of dedusting, if there is any physical damage, the containers will be rejected immediately and kept in this separate dedicated reject material room. Okay. And the clean containers and drums will be verified for their gross weight, and everything after completion of this verification, the material will be kept in the quarantine area inside the warehouse. And immediately the material will be kept here under quarantine. Area for sampling of raw material and primary packing material, and again material entry and main entry. We have a dedicated sampling booth for sampling of raw materials and primary packing materials, and we have a dedicated wash area for tools cleaning. And once after completion of a sampling, the material will be kept here on the under test, and once the approved material are approved, they will be transferred. And once the material are approved, the same will be transferred and kept in these approved material racks. And each rack has a typical rack numbering, which will be reflected in our main cards for easy identification. And from here, we have two dispensing booths. From here, the material we have two dispensing areas, one for APIs and another for excipients and primary packing material. And each dispensing area has a material entry and the main entry. Material will be dispensed under reverse laser info unit, and once material dispensed, the dispensed material will be kept in our dispensed material hold area. So this is a dispensed material hold area. Dispensed material will be kept here before taking it into the manufacturing area. This dispensed material will be transferred to a dynamic pass box. We have a dedicated room for the secondary packing materials. Okay. And we have a dedicated room for finished products storage area. This is dedicated for the transfer of finished goods from second floor after completion of packing and to the finished goods warehouse. So the dispensed material will be collected from here by production people and transferred to the case trolley. This is a closed case trolley. The material will be transferred into the case trolley with the lock and key, and this trolley will be transferred to the manufacturing area through a lift, dedicated lift. Now, the material will be transferred through this lift, and this lift is dedicated for transfer of raw materials, and the main entry will be through the staircase. So this is for the main entry, main movement. First floor is dedicated for quality control. There is entry for our quality control department, and again we have a dedicated access control for each department.
This is sample collection room, and we'll have a pass box and a sample storage cabinet. Instrumentation 2 and a HPLC lab. HPLC. Instrumentation lab, and we have UV instrument and halogen mask analyzer. This is dissolution area. We have dissolution apparatus. This is wet lab. Laminar airflow and port chamber. And pH conductivity meter, melting point apparatus, and tap density tester, centrifuge, water bath, and muffle furnace, sonogator. This is fume cupboard area. And this is the precision balance, and one is analytical balance, which is range 50 mg to 200 grams. And this is another balance, which is range 20 mg to 200 grams. This is chemical and lab-based stores. This is wash area. So we have vacuum oven and laboratory oven. This carbide area is under conditioning. This is walk-in stability chambers area. We have 4 chambers having 15,000 liters capacity. One is 2560 chamber. Another one is 3065 chamber. And this is 3075 chamber. This is 4075 chamber.
First floor is for closing and the second floor is for manufacturing activities. So let us go to the manufacturing area. This is the entry for the corridor. And we have two manufacturing suites, manufacturing suite 1 and manufacturing suite 2, which is under expansion. Manufacturing suite 1 is used for manufacturing of low volume products like up to 25 kg and potent molecules which are non-onco or any steroidal etc. And we have a dedicated warehouse for special category APIs. We have a dedicated warehouse in manufacturing suite 1 for special category APIs. The storage of special category APIs like steroids, potent molecules other than onco will be stored here, and the sampling dispensing will be done in this area only. Now this is the entry for manufacturing suite 1. This is a typical pictorial drawings for entry and exit procedure, and this is entry for our process folder. This is entry for the sampling and dispensing of the special category APIs. We have an isolator for sampling and dispensing of the special category APIs. Dispensing will be done in an isolator. Once the material was dispensed, again the dispensed material will be transferred through the pause box into the granulation area. This is for entry for granulation area 1. Suite 1, end-to-end granulation till blending. We have RMG 75 liters capacity. And FPP which is suitable for 25 kg of granulation, and this FPP supports both top spray granulation and bottom spray booster pellets coating. And we have a blender with a different capacity, ranges from 30 liters to 150 liters. So this granulation suit supports up to 25 kg. After granulation we have an encapsulation suit. Encapsulation polishing machine, and this machine supports up to 25,000 capsules per hour. We have compression. It's a 27 station bi-layer and double rotary, and this is a wash area for utensils and everything. We have IPQA room. All the necessary instruments like balance, hardness tester, DT apparatus, variability apparatus, and moisture analyzer. Okay, and we have a coating. This is a 24 inches coating pen, but which supports a different kind of range from 500 grams up to 10 kg or 13 kg of tablets. We have dedicated tool room for manufacturing suite 1. This is a primary package, blister packaging room. This is a small scale blister packing machine. distance packed into secondary cartons, and those cartons are transferred through this packing pass box. So this is our manufacturing suit one, which supports up to 25 kg volume batches, potent molecules other than alcohol, steroids, etc. This suit is designed to manufacture a single product at a time and once pass-through system. Also, it has a dedicated warehouse sampling and dispensing for a special category APIs. So this is about our suit one, and we have another suit, that is manufacturing suit 2, which supports up to 60 kg volume batches and a multi-product at a time suit. So this is all about our manufacturing suits.
Shifter 12 inch, we are having 20 mesh, 24 mesh, 30 mesh, 40 mesh and 16 mesh. This is cone mill, and we are having cone mill screens 0.5 mm, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2.5 mm and 8 mm. We are not having 6 mm screen. This is 10 station detooling compression machine. This is rapid mixer granulator having capacity of 2 liters, 3 liters, 5 liters and 10 liters bowl capacity. This is 10 liters capacity bowl, and this is 5 liter. This is contour blender. We are having capacity of 1 liter, 2 liter, 5 liter and 10 liter bowls. This is APCG 175. We can dry blend up to 5 kg in this equipment. This is APCG 300. We can dry the blend above 5 kg in this equipment. This is 24 inches coating machine. We are having bowl capacities of 12 inch, 18 inch and 24 inch.